Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to subscribe on Yodayo character website. So first of all you need to open a new browser, then enter yodayo.com website. Then you can see here you need to create your account. Then it's not free totally, but you have, if you subscribe this, then you'll get all the access. So simply click here subscribe, right top corner. So now you can see here one time you can see here 550, and you need to pay this amount of money. So it's offer also. Simply click anyone that you prefer or chosen, and after that you have to select your card, debit card, credit card, and then you need to, you can see here you need to use pay. So actually this way you can subscribe.